Hi, here is the Olympus Zoom Deluxe overall conditions, and here is the battery compartment. You can open with the coin as he mentioned, or needle also can, but this sometimes a little bit hard. Okay. Then using one CR1238 battery, then we just put at this compartment and push it in. And here is the back cover, like by pulling it out to open it, inside like this. And here is the film compartment. We need to put our film into it, slide from the top to the bottom to make sure that the motor have fit into the center point of the canister. Press it in, pull the film kit to here like that, and make sure that your film is flat. Okay, then we just close it and it will lock. Okay, when it stops, we swipe it on to see. Okay, when here show figure 1, which means that now we can start shooting. And here is the zoom function, like zoom in, zoom out. Then here's the shutter, and here's the viewfinder. When you look into the viewfinder, at the center point here, got a dot. So you just use that dot to aim whatever you want to focus. Half press it. Okay. When here start blinking, which means that it can't focus. So you can see I can't press the shutter. So I slightly, okay. Like that means it's okay. The green light stands for autofocus. If it's light up like this, means that it's focused successfully. When it's blinking, which means that it can't focus. The orange light stands for flash, which means that the current situation is dark, so it will trigger the flash. While if it's bright enough, then it won't trigger the flash. Like example, okay, like that. Okay. Then here is the flash setting. Well, I would recommend you just put it that fully auto will do lah. Well, you can auto S. It's like it will blink for a few times before it shoot. Like, try. Okay. Like that. It's almost like radar reduction lah, but I feel like it doesn't have any difference lah. This one is off the flash, fill in flash, which is force flash lah. Okay. Night mode. While during this mode, the shutter speed will be slow. So if you shake a bit, then it will be blur or something lah. Okay. So auto will be the better choice lah. And here, the up here is the remote or the timer. Well, it doesn't come with the remote, so yeah, you can use it for the timer. Also same, half aim to the object, half press it. If it doesn't blink, click it. Then the red light light up means that it start counting. It took around 10 seconds like that for it to counting lah. Okay, when it's almost there, it will start blinking like this. Yeah. Okay. Then the next part is about the date imprinting, about here. So okay, yeah. This one is the date imprinting. When you shoot, the outcome will come out with a date of something. Wow, like this means it's off. And click again, click the mode for a while. Okay, it's blinking. Then we click the set to adjust. Now the format is like year, month, date. So we see whether the year, the year until 2020 only. So see whether you want it on like time only or what. So because you can change the format, not only the date, you also can switch to like this, the date and the time. So depends on your needs. And if you didn't use it, push it, let it back first, then only close it like that. So here's the overall function, and when you shoot finish, it will auto rewind. So no rate in using, and hope you enjoy it.